today I want to talk to you about my brows because I got microblading and I am literally obsessed because it looks so amazing. I'm gonna show you at the end a before and after picture so you guys can be like shook. But before we start, I want to show you guys the before of my eyebrows. This video is sponsored by VBrows. She's the amazing artist behind my eyebrows. Anyways guys, I arrived to her local shop and oh my god, she was so welcoming and such a sweet person. I totally loved her. The first thing that she did was clean my eyebrows because you cannot go there with makeup, and then she put anesthesia on the eyebrows. What she does next is she waits like 20 minutes. Then after that, she starts drawing. She puts a tape on your forehead that has a ruler, and then she starts like making marks. She gives you a mirror so you can say like if you like it or not. If you don't like it, she makes changes. When it's perfect, she starts like putting dots. She gets out the blade that is like an 18 blade thingy that is small, and then that's where she starts drawing your eyebrows, and it doesn't hurt. A lot of people think that it hurts, but it doesn't hurt at all. Oh, another thing that a lot of people think is that this is a tattoo, and it's not a tattoo. This lasts like 9 to 15 months. I cannot pronounce month correctly. Months. At first I was relieved because I was like, oh my god, what if I don't like it? Or what if the trend of having big eyebrows changed? What am I going to do? When she told me that, I was relieved, but now that I see my eyebrows and I love them so much, I wish they were permanent. Then she puts the thing that I look like an angry bird. You have to stay with that a little bit, and then she take it off, and that's it.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like
the whole procedure lasts 3 hours. For me, it went like really fast. Sincerely, I love this procedure and I totally recommend it. So, what you guys have been waiting for, here is the before and the after. Look at that. When I saw that, I was like, whoa. I did not remember like my natural eyebrows being like that. I am so shook. Here, I'm going to show you a little clip of when I first saw my eyebrows for the first time. Guys, this is the final result. Look how beautiful it looks. I love it. Oh, by the way, before I forget, there's also a second session. A month later, you come for the second session. What she does is exactly the same as the first, so it can last even longer. And well guys, when I saw the difference of the first and second session, I'm in love. Like, I love the first session, but after I saw my eyebrows after the second session, I was totally in love. Like, I'm like, whoa. Now I see why we have a second session, because it looks this good. I am amazed, guys. By the way, guys, before I forget, next week we are starting back to school videos. I am so excited because these are the videos that you guys love the most in my whole channel. So get excited with me, and yes, there will be giveaways. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. See you later, so goodbye. Bye.